Zacchaeus is called the son of Abraham. He is also the lost one. He is also rich. He is also the chief tax collector. He is also short of stature. But in order to see Jesus, he forgets everything and he climbs upon a tree. Can you just imagine a rich man? He's a chief tax collector. They see him climbing up a sycamore tree, and they're waiting on top to see Jesus passing by. What do we notice in him? He forgets himself because he is focused on seeing Jesus. And I think this is something good. We can learn something from him. When we come here for Mass, do we have the same attitude of trying to see, to hear? Because Jesus has said, you have eyes and you do not see, and ears you do not hear. So at what level do we want to see? At the level of reason or at the level of faith? And it is only at the level of faith that miracles take place, encounters happen, and we are transformed by the Lord. Because when we see him with the eyes of faith, then we can never be the same again. And so, they did not see him during the time of the Maccabees. But we know how the people of Israel, yesterday we read about it, were tired of their way and the ways of God, and they went with others who were rich and famous. And they gave themselves to their ways. Now, what is eating flesh of swine? We like it very much. But they have got a certain understanding that if you eat that, you will be defiled and you're not pure of heart. So for them it was very important. And they were ready to die for it. Not because of eating of this, but they were keeping the law of the Lord. And so this one man becomes an example. They'd give him opportunities to do something which is not right, get other meat and eat it. He says, no, I do not want to be saved because of this. I want to be saved because I have kept the law. And not only me, but me will be an example for others. Those who are tottering will see in me an example. Those who are bold will stand firm. And the nation will also be brought back to the ways of the Lord. And that was his intention. And when you have that intention, it will also be done. But what do we need then? We need to see clearly and respond accurately, not by reason, yes, but beyond it, by faith. And so let us ask for this grace. Let us all hold our hands, keep our backs straight, close our eyes. And this posture of prayer is helping us to be in tune with Him who dwells in us. And so we are living stones filled with His presence. He is resurrected in us, and we are come alive in Him. So let us increase in this bond by the grace that He is giving us to seek Him, to see Him, and to be transformed by Him. And may this entire Eucharist help us to encounter Jesus as He passes into us and we in Him, so that the whole day becomes one of His presence within us, and He, through our thoughts, words, and deeds, will touch the others who are also seeking Him and they can see him in us who are Christians. Amen.